Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Solo Leveling Arise Overdrive game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you are logged in and taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and now just type in Solo Leveling Arise to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Now if you scroll down, you will see the Add to Cart button. Click on this button alongside your preferred bundle or edition, and then you can click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Then you can use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Now just enter the credentials of your chosen payment method as well as your billing information, and now once you complete your payment, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the Solo Leveling Arise Overdrive game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Solo Leveling Arise Overdrive on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.